Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today I'm going to be showcasing a very special version of our downtimers, which is a DC-25T-DN-ANDON-WR-NEMA downtimer. This unit is being shipped off to Sierra Aluminum as they have asked us for a countdown timer to help their employees with processing their aluminum products. They wanted a non-metal enclosure that would tell them how long to keep the metal in the acid so that it can be refined and processed. What makes this unit unique from our other models is that it is a polycarbonate NEMA rated enclosure with an andon light that alerts workers when it's almost time and when the time is reached. So not only are the display and the controller contain acid protection enclosures, it can visually alert workers when the metal is properly processed and refined. Sierra Aluminum also has requested that they keep a log each time the countdown timer is used via our webpage, which is completely free. You don't have to download any third-party software or anything like that. We provide that for our customers via a MAC address that we put into the enclosure itself. So as you can see here, we have our wired NEMA controller, and you can see here we have our start and stop button, our zero reset button, set hours, set minutes, set seconds, and we have a reset to last value button. So then in that case, I just press the button 2 times here because it will increment up until you press the button again. Now I'm just going to hit the zero reset button to reset it back to 0. And I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's incrementing upward. So I press the button, and as you can see, it's going up to 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And once I press the set hours button again, it'll be set to 21 hours. So now I'm going to showcase what that looks like when you press the start and stop button. It'll start counting down from 21 hours and 59 minutes. So now I'm going to press the start and stop button again to stop the time. And then I'm going to press the reset to the last value button to reset it to the last value that I set it to, in case in the off chance you want to go back to where you set your time originally. So now I'm going to be showcasing the andon light functions. So I'm going to set it to 15 seconds approximately. So I press 15 seconds, right? So I press set seconds, and it's incrementing upward until I press it again. Press the start and stop button, and as you can see here, the andon light has turned yellow as it's counting down, and this will only occur after a minute has gone by and it reaches that 1 minute mark. So we got 1 second left, and once it reaches 0, it will flash red, and that means that the allotted time is up. So, and in order to turn off the red light, you just press the start and stop button again, and that turns it off. And as you can see on our laptop here, we keep a log of each and every time that the allotted time is set and for when it expires. So I'm going to refresh the page here. And as you can see in the bottom here, we have it set to 15 seconds, and it showed red. That means that it reached its allotted time. So now I'm going to be going over the hardware aspects of this unit. As I stated before, it is a polycarbonate NEMA casing for wet and dry locations, and it also provides acid protection. Its display size is 2.3 inches that can be viewed up to 120 feet. It has a total of 4 digits that can display a total of 99 hours and 59 seconds. Its power type is 100 240 VAC that is connected via a 9-foot power cord that is directly wired into the enclosure itself. It is an SJEOW rated power cord. As for mounting, you can place it on the table, and there are holes in the corner of the back in which the holes can be anchored into, and thus it could be mounted on a wall. As for accessories, we have our wired controller, an RA7035 NEMA enclosure, along with 6 30mm push button switches and a 25-foot cable that is connected into the display. And we also have our andon light that can illuminate yellow and red colors. For connections, we have our Ethernet connection that is hooked up via an IP67 rated RJ45 connector, and this is for logging runtimes on our countdown timer log. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital, demonstrating a special version of our DC-25T-DN-ANDON-WR-NEMA countdown timer. Thanks for watching.